Well, my dear traders, are you ready for a simple but effective strategy? So like and subscription from you, and as always, best strategies from me. We'll need to set the time frame to 15 seconds and the 1 minute expiration time. And just think about it. We are adding only two moving averages with periods of 5 and 26. The fast line will be green and the slow one will be red. Now you will see everything. Let's go. Here comes the first signal and I'm placing all 100 on the rise. The market isn't the best, but I'm confident in my strategies and ready to take the risk, guys. The key is to understand the presence of risk. And look, the situation quickly improves, the price is going up, and that's great. Well, here we go, and the balance is already $191. The market is still tough, but that's even better. A trade for decline. All the pairs have similar situations, but that makes it even more interesting. I chose this pair because we have great confirmation with the resistance level. Trading in such market is hard, but sometimes it only motivates and helps you to improve. Okay, and $366 in my account speak for themselves. Just moving on. Here's another situation for a trade on the decline. Wait, wrong amount. Let's add another $175 on the decline. And look, the price is flying, almost missed that move. See how a simple crossing of the moving averages turns into profit. Amazing price movement. First and second with $614 in the balance. Let's move on. We see the green line above the red, the signal is fresh, and the trade is already open. If the trade closes in profit, that's about $1,200. And the simple strategy is just perfect for beginners due to its simplicity. Now all that's left is just to wait. The trade is thrilling, but yes, it was thrilling, but with $1,189 in the balance and with $58,000 in the safe. Guys, I think that's it for today. Maybe not the best time for recording the video, but my experiment was a success. I nearly increased my deposit by 20 times. Don't forget, this is just to show you how confident I am in this strategy. So always remember, stick to money management. So that's it for today. And after such a tough trading session, it's time to relax. See you in the next video.